what a fresh and beautiful day. Let's go rob. Oh, let's go find something to be bullied, not to rob. Ha ha ha, I'm going with an airplane to school. Hey, airplane. Hello. Now we have to go if you have something. Now let's go. I'm gonna rub it in their face. La 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 la. I'm finally at school. Ha ha ha. I'm the first one. Who said you're the first one? I've got a bill of airplane. Yay! What? How did you get the airplane? Oh, it was my own. What? How, bro? How? Everyone is gonna be amazed. Look at that airplane fly. What? No way. I got it. Oh, no, no, no. He has a flipping airplane. I have rubbed it in your face. LOL. Get out. This is for rich people only. You are poor. Damn. Oh my god. Oh yeah? You think that's it? Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. You are not allowed. You're not welcome. This is all because of you and you. Now get out. I don't want to see your face ever again. Maybe he's just mad, you know? Yeah, man. He cannot even accept the fate. Ha ha ha. What a moron. You. What is wrong with you? You did not even tell me that you were going there with an airplane. Oh yeah? Didn't I call you last night and you did not answer? Yeah, but... Oh, okay, fine. You win. Haha, that's what I thought. I'll come after you. Ah! Haha, you still trying to knock me? Haha. This isn't working. Okay, you know what? I have to go. Ha ha ha, it's now the end of the school. Ha ha. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, no broke boys. Haven't I told you? No broke boys. Now get out. Done. Problem solved. Ouch. Ha ha. I'm going home first. That's my car. What? Hey, come here. Bye-bye, friends. See you tomorrow. I've got a brand new thing. Ha ha ha. What? Oof. Now, if you don't mind, I have to go. And also, Mercedes, get out. I have to take you down. Ooh. Okay, bye, Mercedes. Now let's go home, buddy.